Hey, Dustin Schaefer here. I'm in Guadalajara. Look at that. Viva Ketones. All right. Why do we need to be in Mexico? Why are ketones in Mexico? Why does this need to happen? We're in the early phases of rolling out this unbelievable technology in Mexico. I just got back from one of the biggest conference in the world around ketone education. The top thought leaders in the world educating people why ketones, why Mexico. I don't know if you're aware, but right now Mexico just passed America as the most unhealthy country. Both our country and your country needs ketones, and this is why. Unfortunately, we're making bad health decisions, we're making bad nutritional decisions, choosing the wrong foods to eat. Also, to get into ketosis is extremely hard. We have the ability now to drink an unbelievable drink to elevate our ketone levels so that you can improve the quality of your life. So why Mexico again? Well, what we've learned is that if you've been struggling with some health challenges, if you've been struggling with bad dieting for a long period of time, basically no matter what you do as a diet, your body isn't going to respond that well. And this has been proven in science. But with our product, what it does is it biohacks your system, it increases ketones into your brain and tells your body it can get healthier. You can lose body fat. You can live a better life. You can get better. You can be a better mom, a better dad, a better husband, a better employee, a better child, a better grandparent. And that's why we're in Mexico right now, and we're looking for people that want to make a big impact in Mexico. If you're somebody that wants to go out and change lives, you want to change your life, be a better person, if you want to lock arms with us and want to go out and change the health of your country, let us know. Reach back to whoever invited you and say, listen, I want to play a role in this. And yes, we will compensate you for changing the health of your country. We will help and reward you for that. So it's time to make Mexico a healthy country again. And in America, we need to get healthy too. And we're going to both be the best examples as we can be to help change the whole world. Thanks, everybody.